Have you ever wondered where an item comes from and how it reaches you so quickly? Everything starts at the place of production, where goods are created every day. After that, the goods are taken to the warehouse for storage and management. At the warehouse, the goods will be inspected, packed, and labeled with the waybill number. Next is transportation by truck, ship, or airplane. Logistics helps goods move through multiple provinces, and even multiple countries. Each order is tracked to prevent loss or delayed delivery. The delivery route is calculated to save time and costs. The final step is to deliver the goods to your correct address. When you receive the goods, the logistics have completed their task. Logistics is not just about delivering goods, but about an entire system behind it. The goal is to deliver the right goods at the right time, at the lowest cost. Logistics is involved in everything you use every day. Therefore, logistics is a very essential industry in modern society. Understanding logistics is understanding how the world operates every day.